Hi, my name is Lauren Volpe. I am a animal science major with a microbiology minor, and today I will be doing my presentation over rbST use in Holstein cows. And I researched what effects rbST has on milk production and consumer acceptability. So, first off, what is rbST? BST stands for bovine somatotropin, which is a naturally occurring hormone produced in the cow's pituitary gland. BST is sometimes referred to as the bovine growth hormone, or BGH. It regulates the cow's metabolism and efficiency of feed conversion into milk. rbST is recombinant bovine somatotropin, recombinant meaning that it is man-made. Biotechnology techniques are used to isolate the BST gene and transfer it into a bacteria. And so this slide kind of shows how that's done. The plasmid is removed and cut open with restriction endonuclease. Cow somatotropin gene is isolated from the cow cell and then inserted into a bacterial plasmid. The plasmid is reintroduced into the bacterium, which more than likely is E. coli. That's a very common one used. The bacteria producing bovine somatotropin are grown in fermentation tanks, and then it is removed from bacteria and purified and then administered into the cow to enhance production. So both of these forms work by increasing another hormone, which is IGF-1, or insulin growth-like factor. The only difference between rbST and BST is actually one amino acid. So they are basically biologically similar. So rbST was approved in 1994 by the FDA. And so this is the only company that markets this product. Cows are injected with rbST at around 2 months after calving, and it is given subcutaneously every 14 days after that. Peak milk yield occurs around 8 weeks, and rbST increases this yield and makes it last a longer duration. So I posted the normal peak milk yield. On average, cows normally produce around 6 to 8 gallons a day, and with rbST, they can produce an extra gallon of milk per day. It also reduces the amount of feed and water intake for milk needed for milk production, making rbST a more sustainable method. Research has shown that giving cows rbST to about 1 million cows would enable the same amount of milk to be made by 160,000 fewer cows. So it is also found to reduce the carbon footprint by using less feed, less energy, and less water. This study showed that nutrient saving of total feedstuffs would be reduced by about 2 million metric tons. For every 1 million cows supplemented with rbST, it would be an environmental saving of 824 million kilograms of CO2. The human population is exponentially rising, and the demand for milk production will increase, but we will need to make more milk with basically less cows and less food and less water, and rbST can make that happen. So consumers might have some rejection to this product, but rbST has no effect on overall composition or the flavor of milk. BST is not active in humans. Humans produce HST, and protein hormones and steroid hormones that are orally consumed and digested by humans are rendered inactive. So overall, this should not be a concern to consumer health. The FDA has guidelines for these products labeled, and I have put a couple of examples to kind of show what these products say. Products labeled rbST free are to avoid the use of wording that might skew customers' attitudes toward that certain product. So these products labeled rbST free must also contain a statement saying that the FDA has determined that there is no significant difference between milk from rbST treated cows and non-rbST treated cows. So due to the lack of knowledge and fear of genetically engineered products such as rbST, these items are usually left on the shelves, and the push for a more organic and natural product seems to be growing in today's society. In conclusion, rbST is a helpful product that helps producers be more sustainable and more profitable. Although there has been no correlation between rbST use and health issues, people will still go out of their way to try and find that more organic and more natural product. So I have included my works cited to show you where I have got all my information. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.